Hello guys, this just arrived in the mail today and I'm gonna be unboxing it. I ordered what I think it's inside is a screwdriver, electric one. I ordered it on Tuesday last week. Supposedly I purchased the 3-day shipping or whatever it's called, the fast shipping, and it just got here today, so it took like a week to arrive. A lot this time for it to arrive. Let me unbox it. It's called the WowStick 1F. WowStick 1F. WowStick 1F. My phone keeps moving. The WowStick 1F. I like their packaging. Every packaging they have giving me, it's really good. One thing is heavy. Here's the stick. Let me fix you guys, that you guys can see. This is the unboxing. This is the WowStick 1F Plus Precision. It's this one. I don't know what this says, but it's in Chinese. Wow, it comes really good packaged. They know how to package the things. I'm gonna be using this one instead of this one, and the other ones that I just ordered are these. The 3D ones. I still have to make a video about this one, and it's gonna go up next week after this one, so I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna unbox it in a few seconds. Hey guys, sorry about that. Somebody knocked on my door, and it was the delivery guy from FedEx again. Some other parts came in, so I'm gonna be unboxing this. This is really well packaged. It feels like I'm unboxing a phone. Like they know how to package their things. Oh, I opened it the wrong way. It's like this. Yeah, that's easier. I bought this because supposedly it's way better than like these things than these, so I'm gonna try it out. It cost me $48. The packaging is like really good. Real fast. Whoa, that's really nice. What is this? Did it come with a mat or something? Oh, damage it. Oh yeah, it came with a mat, with a magnetic mat. Put this to the side, and I'm gonna try it with some screws I have right here. Yep, this is like really good quality. I'm gonna have it in the side. Like I'm gonna have it right here all the time. Over here. But I don't lose that parts like last time. Like if you saw my first video on my other channel, I thought I lost this screw. No, I forgot what screw it was. Yeah, I don't remember what screw it was, but I lost it, and it was behind some other box that was magnetic, and I was like, what? Okay, what is this? This is the case. Yeah, this is the case. Put this to the side. Whoa, I think that's really nice. Whoa. I like the color, the white. And then that it opens up like both ways. That's really nice. Okay. For a bit. What is this? This is a dual power foam tool. This is a screwdriver. Whoa. It really makes some noise. It has lights in it. And it's bent it forward to tighten and to untighten. Up, down, up, down. That's really cool. And it's USB type. I forgot what it's called. But it's this kind of USB. And now these are the accessories. I'll put this to the side. What it comes with. Whoa. These are all the bits. Okay. Yeah, this is like really nice quality. Like that's why it's so heavy, because of this. More accessories. Oh, that's more. Whoa. Yeah, these are like really nice. They're high quality. Now there's more accessories. Is there 3 of those? Oh yeah, there is. There were only 2. I saw only 2 in the picture. But I guess there's 3. So then that's why it says there's like 60 something parts. Like right here, 69 parts in one. Yeah, that's really, really nice. And you like put everything in one side. Let me unbox this one. I couldn't. What is this? More accessories. I think this is the base for the thing. Yep. And this is heavy. Yeah, this is how it's supposed to go. I think like this. Yep, like this. I thought you charged it like this, but I don't think you charge it with this. So yeah, I'm gonna have it like that on the corner of my desk. And now for this, more accessories. Yeah, there's the charger, the magnetizer, charger to take off the screen, and the little screws where to put the screws in. That's really nice. Yeah, this company, I really recommend this. I'm gonna be trying it on my channel, and I'm gonna show you guys how it works and everything. But yeah, this is all those things that it has inside. Well guys, wait just a minute. I'm gonna my other phone, and I'm gonna try one of them. I'm gonna try to see the bottom screws to see if I can open it like that with that. Okay guys, oh, I'm gonna fall. Whoa, that's really nice how it takes off. I'm looking for this one, the P6. Does it say like the names or something? P6. Whoa, they spin. Whoa, that's cool. It's a bit nicer. Yeah, it's worth $50. Like, yeah, I was gonna buy it on Amazon, but the company I buy it from sells it too. So I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna buy it from them. But I'm gonna try to find that one. Is it this one? They have like weird names. I'm gonna look for it. Supposedly it's called the P6. I can't find the P. Let me see. H P. Okay, here. P. Is it this one? P6. Let me try it. Does it just stick? Magnetic? Yep. Magnetic. I'll try to see if it's the screw. Like, I need the smaller one. What was the smaller one called? Something. P. This is like really high quality, guys. Yeah, I think it's this one. Since I have like the new iPhones take different ones. Yeah, it's this one. I'm gonna be trying it on the. I'm gonna put the screw. I already took the screws off from this iPhone, so I'm gonna be trying to see. Yeah, it's really far. I don't think it's magnetic that much. Like, and if it is, probably it's like really no. Come on, my hand is shaking. I don't even think it's this one. Because let me take it off screen for a bit. It's off screen. I'm gonna tighten it. Yeah, that works. That gets tight now. You guys can see that. Yeah, so it's pretty nice. I really recommend it, and I think you can just put it like this too with the pick and everything. Yeah, that's really nice. I'm gonna have it in the corner of my desk. I'm gonna be using this in my next video, this one, and then this one too. Like both on the same video to see like which one's better. I'm gonna compare them, but I guess this one's like way better. It's kind of heavy, but like this is. I'm gonna check if it stops like whenever it's in the max. Yep, it stopped. See, it stopped. I'm gonna be changing the screws for the 7. I'm gonna be changing these screws. On every phone I fix, I'm gonna be changing those to the newest ones, like with new ones. And I'm gonna be changing the batteries to like the max capacity. And I'm gonna put the original battery, but like a higher and better quality one, for that it lasts longer and like people are satisfied. Yeah, I'm like really satisfied with this one. It's like really, and like, what is this for? For one of these and then one of these. Yep. Yeah, it's for that you can carry. Yeah, for your most important one. Then you close it. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Yeah, guys, I hope you guys liked this video, and please subscribe down below. I'm almost to 50 subscribers again. I was already in 50, but I got 47 now, and I almost get 50 again. So please, guys, help me reach my goal. I'm gonna try to upload more better videos, and please tell me if you guys want to see some other videos on this channel, and visit my other channel. It's called BH Phone Repair. I'm gonna be posting it this Sunday, the first video, or I think it's already up depending on when I post this video. Maybe it's gonna be up already. So it's gonna be called BH Phone Repair, and yeah, please go subscribe to that one too. And yeah, guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.